In the year 1992, the cricketing world was taken by storm by a young blooming spinner from Sri Lanka. With an unorthodox action and a magical spin, 20-year-old Muthaiya Muralidharan showed promise of taking spin bowling to new levels. However, the cricket giant played against the future legend, and then one man risked everything to save the spinner career. This one man is Arjun Ranatunga. Muthaiya Muralidharan is involved in this story, but he is not hero of this story. The hero of this story is Arjun Ranatunga, who put his entire career at stake to save Muthaiya Muralidharan. Muralidharan was accused of checking while bowling by the umpires and was then put on the probation, which put him out of the ground. International Cricket Council ICC then probed into the matter and performed a comprehensive investigation into Muthaiya Muralidharan bowling action. ICC cleared the off-spinner action of all wrongdoing. In the year 1995, 23-year-old Muralidharan was still fairly new to the scene. At the time, ICC rules stated that one cannot straighten their arm after bending it while bowling. It was completely up to the on-field umpire decision to judge this. In a test match against Australia in 1995, Australian umpire Darrell Hare started calling no balls while Muralidharan was bowling, maintaining that the Sri Lankan bowler was checking. After a number of such calls, Sri Lankan captain Arjun Ranatunga started bowling Muralidharan from the other end. However, umpire Darrell Hare boldly stated that he can still call it a no ball even if he was not officiating. After the match, Sri Lankan tried to call for the deliberation with umpire Darrell Hare to deal with the matter properly. Although ICC allowed it, Cricket Australia denied and stopped it. In the second match as well, the same incident kept on happening. This time, there was different Australian umpire, Ross Emerson, who even took things a step further. Even though the issue was specifically with Muralidharan off spin, umpire Emerson started calling no balls on Murali leg break as well. Clear as day, it is physically impossible while bowling leg break to move the arm like that. Muralidharan was finally taken off the team as Sri Lanka went on to lose the series by 3-0. It is noteworthy that this umpiring by the two Australian umpires was termed the worst umpiring I have ever seen by the legendary Australian batter Sir Don Bradman. Cut to 3 years later, Muralidharan underwent extensive testing at the ICC and was declared to have a completely legal action. However, Australians decided they knew better and decided to deal with things on their own. The Australian Tri-Nation Series was going on between Australia, Sri Lanka and England in 1999. On one hand, the Australian Cricket Board continued bad-mouthing Muthaiya Muralidharan as a chucker. Moreover, they used to refer to Captain Ranatunga as a savage. Prior to the 8th match with England, which was to be officiated by the umpire Ross Emerson, the umpire received a call from the Australian Cricket Board to maintain the standard he had set before, indirectly asking him to obstruct Murali bowling with no ball call. Emerson, encouraged by the ECB, called a no ball for Muralidharan while standing at a square leg. For a long time, the Sri Lankan team and Muralidharan had been suffering from these accusations. Even now, after the ICC ruled the bowling clear of any wrongdoing had to face arbitrary umpiring, Arjun Ranatunga walked straight to the umpire in Alice Drake, telling the umpire while his finger pointed at the umpire, reciting the ICC rule. Ranatunga, after all his arguing, made no difference, then gave the umpire a look, went to the English batters to say goodbye, and took his team back to the pavilion. Nobody expected that Ranatunga would walk away with his team in the middle of the match, not even ACB. Yet the Sri Lankan captain was quick to pull the trigger against wrongdoing. The Sri Lankan team were walking off the field as the match referee rushed to the field to stop this. a number of phone calls were made between Sri Lankan and Australian cricket boards. With some rigorous diplomacy, a compromise was reached. Murli was allowed only to bowl leg break in the match, while umpire Emerson was to stand down as the match was to continue. However, Ranatunga have had enough as he went to Murli and told him to bowl whatever he wanted to. Murli did bowl the off spin, while the umpire Emerson had no other option than to just silently watch. Ranatunga went on to stake it to the umpire as he brought Muralidharan to bowl from the end where Emerson was officiating, indirectly tearing him to take action. Emerson couldn't call any no ball, so he raised a different issue. Ross Emerson stated that Muralidharan run-up's starting mark was too close to wicket. On this, Ranatunga walked straight to the umpire and told him, "You are in charge of umpiring, I am in charge of captaining. My bowler will bowl from wherever he wants." When the match ended, Sri Lankan and Australian Cricket Board were at full-scale war. Arjun Ranatunga was suspended for 6 matches along with 75% match fee. Later on, when Arjun Ranatunga was asked whether he could have rested Muralidharan for that match, the Sri Lankan captain replied that the whole world had cleared him. Why should he worry for one or two umpires? This is the tale of how Arjun Ranatunga put everything on the line to save a youngster career. This youngster went on to hit the winning runs in the match with Emerson umpiring at square leg. Muralidharan now is a legend spinner who has the most number of test wickets by a bowler in international cricket. All this was courtesy of a savage captain who stood up firmly against injustice and wrongdoing. Let's end the video right here. Thanks for watching.